I just got to UZMEE's and I just had them microbladed for the first time like 2 years ago. I wasn't super thrilled with the results, but I've heard that UZMEE is like the queen. She comes highly recommended, so I'm really excited. She's just gonna like draw them on first and make sure we're happy with the shape, and then I will film the rest of this process for you. So this is our before situation. I need help. That's probably good. Like you can see that line's right on the bottom of where my natural eyebrow is, but that one just, I don't know what happened to my face, but that one's like way higher. So I'm doing UZMEE's combo, which is the shading as well as the microblading, which simulates the strands of actual hair. You can see the difference in the size of my brow. Like this one starts above the line and this one's basically on the line. So the goal is to even them out. Pretty good to me, but you're the expert. And now that we're both happy with the eyebrow drawing, I've got the numbing cream on my eyebrows, looking real sexy up in here. I am very excited to see what these results are. UZMEE actually is also a professional makeup artist, which I didn't even know about her, but that just gives her an even better understanding of the face. So I'm really happy with the shape that we've come to, and I'm excited to see the finished product. For those of you who don't know what is about to happen, I like to refer to microblading as like the glam semi-permanent version of prison tattoos. That's what it is. They use a razor blade to, you know, scratch little marks and then deposit the ink, and I'm just gonna be documenting this whole entire process because I've always been really curious, and you can read what you read about it, but you never actually get to see what really goes down. So yeah, if you're squeamish, you can turn this off now. UZMEE, do you want to tell me what we got here?
Yeah. So this nice rich chocolate color is for your hair strokes.
Yep.
And then this lighter chocolate color is for shading.
Okay, cool.
So this way we have dimensions and also has a natural result.
Yes, that is what we're going for. It's going down.
Can you see it? It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's great.
I'm gonna have you sit up one more time for me to see how they look from far and far.
Awesome. I am all done at UZMEE. She worked her magic on me. You guys, like, none of this is actually hair, but it looks so good.
It looks so beautiful.
You're the eyebrow queen. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'm so happy with it. I'm going to put all of your info in the description below. So you guys need to, if you're in LA, come to the eyebrow queen, UZMEE.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, guys, I just pulled up at home, and believe it or not, far scarier than having a razor blade 1 inch from my eyeball is my husband's potential reaction to the microblading. I think they look amazing, but they do look extra crazy because they have these protective wraps on them for the next day or so. But he always says I'm perfect like I am, and he never wants me to like do anything to my face or anything like that. And I listened up until now. But it's just eyebrows, right? I'm not coming home looking like a cat lady all full of filler and stuff. So hopefully he likes them. The moment of truth for your reaction, because yesterday when I came in, I still had these plastic things on my face. So I think that distracted from what was going on underneath them. Okay, so she said to like take off the front bit and then like...
What if your eyebrow just comes off with it?
Stop it, don't say that.
It's coming off, Sheena.
Stop.
I just found a baby.
Oh my goodness, where'd she come from?
Out of space. Look at her. Same place as your eyebrows. Let's have a look at Mummy's eyebrows. Oh yeah, they look cool, man. I love them.
They look good, right?
Yeah, I think they look good. It's really nice. Is that so? What happened? She shaved off your old one.
No, my old one's still on there.
Oh.
She didn't take any hair away.
Looks good.
It does, right?
Yeah, I like it. It's cool.
Really?
Yeah, of course. I love it.
Thanks.
If I'd come back with my face tattooed, this wouldn't be the reaction. Looks great, babe.
Happy?
Oh yeah, I've never been happier about someone else's eyebrows. Congratulations on your new eyebrows.
Woohoo! So it's been 6 weeks since I got my brows done. There's some gaps that I can see, just the way that it healed. So I'm going for a little touch up and then they will be complete.
I'm gonna put the color one more time.
Perfect.
And leave it for 5 minutes.
Okay, cool.
And then
That's it, guys. I think she did a great job with the touch up.
this is the result.
And it will be all revealed very soon. Moment of truth. Oh my God.
Okay, let's brush
Yeah.
strokes.
Wow. Yay! UZMEE the queen right there.
Thank you.
Thank you.